Good morning everyone, and welcome back to this fine frosty Welsh day. Pretty perky today. So what's today's video about? Don't know, we'll see where it takes us. But it's definitely about celebrations. I think we're on like 118 or 112,000 subscribers. So we hit our benchmark, which is absolutely amazing. I'm chuffed to bits. Thanks to everyone for the love and support. Thanks for watching the videos, and just thanks for subscribing. Do you know what I mean? I still haven't got my algorithm or realised what the content is you like. You seem to like videos of the Escort, you like videos of my Fiesta, and you also like videos of the work that we doing and the projects and stuff. So look, let me know in the comments what you want to see. There's going to be way more projects anyway. There's going to be some kind of like projects up the garage. I'm doing proper cars, restorations, and I'm going to do some little hobbyist style ones, helping the boys out, like a mop and a polish on a car, or a bit of rust treatment, a bit of welding here and there, just to get you guys through things. But they're going to be different kind of jobs, right? This one's going to be a get you to an next MOT job, or one's going to be a sustainable long term, this is what a proper car looks like we're building the Escort, yeah? I got mates reaching out asking me to help do all, but like to say, just like a favour, Dan, do a favour, do polish my car for me. Dan, I got a patch on my car. I'm going to start getting some of that content for you, just to show you that anybody can do this work, and it just takes a bit of knowing what you're going to do, and do you know what I mean, with a bit of clear guidance and a bit of understanding of what you do and how it can impact and affect the job. That's the importance, do you know what I mean? So it's what I'm a teacher, and I'm a sensei. Like math is my teacher, Sanders at the garage, and I would have learned none of the stuff if he hadn't shown me and told me. I would be that kind of guy, like, yeah, let's ride the car, it'll be great, it'll last. And then now I'm that person who's like, oh, 6 months down the line, that's going to crack, mate, in temperature. You can't do that. That's a bot's job, that's getting corners. So yeah, I just hope the channel is bringing people a bit of joy, and look, all the people who comment and chat to me on the videos, on every video, that's really warming. So they are real subscribers, so I'm chuffed about that. So yeah, I'm on my way to take some, well, it was my plan last week, wasn't it? But the tyre situation, I want to get some like cinematic little videos, a bit of camera roll, little B-roll stuff. As John has told me, it's called B-roll, thanks John. Get some of that content together, and some little like snazzy clips in between, like video montages and stuff. But I see this really cool spot which I wanted to go to when I was picking up parts for a car the other day. So I'm hoping it's not inundated and flooded with workers. But yeah, I don't want to take up all the content in the video, me rambling on and chatting. So I'll speak to you on the next clip, I think. Cheers. I seem to be spending more time than I spend anywhere else. What a good looking car. See how many miles we get for that. So that's 30 quid's worth of super unleaded at an extortionate price in Morrison's BP. I didn't get my montage, my photo clip as I wanted to. Somebody was parked where I wanted to go. Ironic, isn't it? Tapping. Never mind, I'm off now. I think to buy a little celebratory cake for the garage. We'll see now, we'll see. Time's ticking on. This'll do, pretty in pink. Celebration cakes. Let's go have a cup of tea after. 1k benchmark. All of the little tricks. Big Lee Stevens, Lee at Smarden Classic Car Services. Nice one, Lee, buddy. Don't forget, I have messaged you to sort you out. Genuine ESCORT Cosworth heat shield. We've got two of them, one for the wall in the garage, and this one is going to go here. It's going to be cut and modified, repaired. Obviously it's no good for a general causey, and that's going to then sit in this location just to give it a little bit of, I don't know, not OE, because it's in the complete wrong place. But I'm going to cover my Group A air filter with it. I think it looks pretty cool. It's for little tricks. There's one on the wall. How cool is that for a bit of wall art? Shame you haven't got your air filter anymore because it's on my car. You can have my baby one. Cheers. There's to 1,000 subscribers. Right, so it's not fitted yet, but it's been trimmed back just so you get the idea. We're going to retexture black this. But yeah, we're going to fit it by using with my fingers. This heat shield underneath, putting a hole in here, and then maybe just one rivet in the corner, and then hopefully it'll sit. I was going to put brackets on it, but it's just going to be easier to get on and off via that. Look, there's loads of ways of mounting it, but it's never going to be one of those cars with the bonnet open. So it's just to tidy it up and to make me feel a bit better about it. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool to have an original part of a car. What do you think, guys?
12 seconds later.
Little quick job on a friend's car, helping out, getting this ready for engine bay paint and interior paint. This all blow off all this crap. Red scotch across all these shuts to keep the area up. So I'm not going to tell you what car it is. Anybody with a trained eye can put in the comments. But yeah, so we've scotched up all this now, all the edges, got up to 1 centimetre up to here before we paint the edge, all around here, all in here, around here, all in here, all these areas. Next we're going to do a bit of work on here, scotch all this area up. This is on show, so this needs to be really nice, so I'll be done in 400, all around this edge up here, all the inside then. And hopefully this can see a bit of paint later. Optimistic, but yeah. Can you tell where it is yet? So this is being done for criteria and spec as requested by the person whose car it is. All this is new metal, it's had new floors, it's had loads of metal work done, it's had new front and stuff put on it. But because it's the inside of a car, he just wants paint dropped on it. Lots of this is covered. This is like covered with vinyl. That's on show. All this is covered with rubbers, etc. So I don't have to be so like tedious with that. If it was mine, maybe it'd be different, but you can only do as per requested by the person. So that's what he wants to do. So I'm working to their agenda. I know we're only painting the inside today, but we'll go to here and then feather it out. But all this needs filler work on it. I can't leave stuff like this. That's going to have to be sanded out because that's just going to be messy. So I'll 80 that, then I'll 240 it, and then I'll 400 it. 400 on this area. This on show. There's way too much debris and dust and dirt to blow into an airline. That's okay. Yeah, quick maneuver and then blow out the airline and then get some panel wipe on it. So the idea is that we've got this soft edge, the flappy edge, with back mask. So once we've painted all the inside then, it's only going to be feathered out lightly before we start the outside end of the vehicle. But yeah, we're all masked up now, ready to do the tunnel and stuff, blank that off. But yeah, it's coming. So yeah. Can you guess where it is yet? Start the panel and get some dust down there. Blow it over again. Dust loves to settle. I'm going to use a tack rag on all the areas that will be on show, just to make sure there's no dust settling on the car. Warm up the X primer. So it looks like Matthew's been fiddling with my heat shield. Sneaky, sneaky. Right, so the idea of this is any bare metal, any broken edges, anywhere like this, anything that's shown any previous corrosion to receive primer. Don't go mental, dust it on. You go back and give it another coat. So there we are, all the bare metal and edges and anywhere where there's like a sealant or anything or breaks through in the paint. So those have all been etch primed. Fair bit of work. My back is killing. Gotta laugh. You see these people painting cars with rattle cans? Well, no fool you. Remember from other videos we're using the textured paint. Giving that box fresh factory original look. Look at that. There we have it. Nice. Just gotta sort that out now. Wipe all that over. Sort all this out. Super wide by water. Yeah, she's good. But yeah. Look at that. Cheers, Lee. Sorted me right out with that. Well happy. So yeah, colour change actually. So it's no longer going to be yellow. There we have it. Red little rocket. So yeah, it's come out half decent, isn't it? One more little coat now. The gentleman didn't really bother about having the inside painted, but because the car's having a colour change, seems the right thing to do, doesn't it? There we have it then, guys. I'm going to end the video here. I think that's enough content for one day because it's too cold and my fingers are freezing. Anyhow, cheers for the commitment and the likes and the subs, and let's see if we can get to 2,000 now, eh? Anyhow, I'll leave you some clips and a little outro of my Escort, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.